very similar to Mr. Teller. What if you have a foreigner doesn't have a residency, but we own real estate here and would like to use our property as collateral, let's say for example, a rehab project of that nature?
Está hablando de que si, o sea, está haciendo la pregunta que si una persona que no tiene estatus en el país, pero quiere utilizar, vamos a decir, el título de su propiedad como un aval, o sea, como si fuera garante, pero la persona no tiene estatus, ¿facilitaría conseguir un préstamo?
Claro que sí. Nosotros no le decimos que no a los negocios. Siempre uno arma el expediente, verificar obviamente, aunque haya una garantía, se evalúa el perfil del cliente como tal, porque aunque tenemos la garantía, el aval nos lo da el historial crediticio del cliente y cómo va el comportamiento, porque independientemente también se hace la verificación del lugar.
Okay, so even if you serve as guarantor toward that client, they still have to do their due diligence, and it's going to be largely based on their credit history. They have to see, you know, the tendency of the person, where payments are concerned, their credit history, what their earning potential is, even though you would serve as a guarantor, okay? And I have to say, brevemente, when you're getting a mortgage loan, the title is the guarantee. There's no risk to the bank because if you don't pay the loan, they keep the property. And yet still, even though there's a good collateral, they still have to do their due diligence. People get denied over, bad credit, history all the time, or if they don't submit the paperwork indicating what their earning is. So you still have to have a person that doesn't represent a risk to the bank, okay? And the reason for this, brevemente, señores, from a legal standpoint, suppose you're a guarantor to a person. They stop paying, they default on payments. But you, as the guarantor, do not, you don't face the responsibility that you have as a guarantor. That's a legal battle. I've had to wage those, okay? So the bank wants to avoid getting into legal battles over guarantors who also default and wait for a judgment to get paid. So they have to evaluate each case individually, okay? Bien? Who else?